Hi friends, now we are going to learn about how to use Diksha app. First of all, in your mobile, open Play Store app. In search box, type Diksha and search it, and you will find the Diksha platform for school education app. Then install the app. I have installed already this app. I will open it. On the screen you will find many languages. Choose your preferred language. I choose English. Then click on continue, and here on the screen teacher, student and others. If you are teacher, then select teacher. If you are student, then select student or others. I select teacher. Then here you can scan your QR code in the book. You can click on scan QR code and scan the QR code. Otherwise, select board. Here you can select your state board or CBSE pattern. I select Maharashtra board. Then submit. Then select medium. I select Marathi medium. Then submit. Then select your class. I select 4th class. Submit. Then click on continue. Here you find many mediums: Marathi, Bengali, English, Gujarati, Hindi. You select your medium. I select Marathi medium. Then here are classes: class 2nd, class 3rd, class 4th, 5th to 11. You select your class. I select class 4. Then you will find the books of that class here. My English book 4, other books. I select my English book 4. Then you will find the all contents of that book here. You can choose any content and click on it. You will find the educational content of that topic in videos, document format or interactive format. You can select all. Here I select the topic Garden of Words and click on play. Here you click on the arrow button here.
Now
You will get
talk
the video.
to your partner and get to know him or her. Hello, Ruchi.
Hello, Ahmed.
And you
How are you?
continue forward.
I'm fine. Thank you.
In this way you will find all educational material of any topic, of any subject. Thank you. Please like, comment and share.